Ethereum new all-time highs, guys. We finally hit that $1,600 mark that we spoke about 2 weeks ago or so. Sometime last month, we did a video where we spoke about Ethereum and we told you it would hit $1,600 when it broke out of that pattern. And boom, there you have it, guys. We have hit $1,600. Now we're just waiting on Bitcoin to hit 50. So today we are talking about altcoins. That's right, altcoins. We will be doing a price analysis on the top 5 coins requested by you, our beautiful viewers, our beautiful community, and trying to find some trade setups for you guys. Trust me, guys, you don't want to miss today's video. Let's dive in. Hey, what's up? Jay here, and welcome to Bitcoin Daily, bringing you guys the best tips, tutorials, and ideas to help you guys become profitable and successful traders. If you're new here, the goal of this channel is to empower you, the people, with the resources and knowledge to take you guys to that next level. So guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Turn on that post notification, and let's get to rocking and rolling. So of course, the first out that we're going to go over is the king of all altcoins, Ethereum. Looking at Ethereum, guys, we saw this big breakout here. We finally broke out of this pattern. If we, zoom it out a little bit, we see that we finally broke out, guys, of this pattern. Look at that time. Look at that. We tested it 1, 2, 3 times. And looks like the 4th time was a charm. So if you remember, we gave you guys a 1600 target last time, and it finally reached the 1600 mark. I think back when we gave that target, we were around 1200. And we finally did it. We hit that 1600 mark. So we're super excited. We're going to hit you guys with another prediction here. So if you guys measure the top of the range to the bottom of the range and then put it exactly where the breakout occurred, guys, it now gives us a target price of around $1,900. And at 1900, we're close enough to just call it 2000. So that is the new price target that we're looking for Ethereum right now. Our new price target is $2,000, as you guys can see there. Guys, I want to see everybody in the comments right now on this video. Hashtag let's hit 2K. All right, so next we're going to look at ADA Cardano, guys. We've been getting this one requested a bunch of times. So here we go. Last time we did this, look at this. Look at the chart that we did last time, right? We had the breakout, boom. And then we charted this one right here, right? So we told you guys if we got a breakout up above around this range that we would probably shoot up. And it did go a little bit longer than we thought it would go, but we did also talk about this range right here, that 36 cents range. And as you guys can see, there was a whole bunch of consolidation there. Finally, when we did break out though, boom, look at what happened, guys. So we've gone up as high as 45 cents, it looks like. So now, as you guys can see, we're kind of forming the same pattern right here. We have another bull flag and a possible breakout right here occurring right now. So the breakout really is going to be above that 45, 46, above this new high that we have here. So that high is 45.7, right? So we're just going to call it 46. We will be looking on Cardano with this pattern, which is a bull flag, right? We're going to be looking to enter above 46 cents, which is the all-time high, because the bull flag pattern is already breaking out. So the entry would have been right around here. As you guys can see, it's already breaking out to the upside. So our entries that we're looking at right now is going to be above this previous high right here. All right, so looking at DOT once again, we told you guys that what you wanted to buy was down here at the bottom of this range last week, and where you wanted to sell was up here. And look at this, guys, it went down to the bottom and back up to the top, right? And then finally, if you would have took that there, you would have been able to write it up here, sold here, took those profits, and then we told you guys to then buy on the breakout up here, right? So as you guys can see, we're currently right at that $20 mark. So the entry here is above this previous high, which is $20. So on DOT, we love how DOT is looking. It's looking great right now. It's basically following exactly what we mentioned that was going on with it. If you were taking the trades that we mentioned last week, you would have been buying at the bottom, selling at the top, and then taking on new breakout trades. So the breakout trade we're looking for is above this current high, which is right around that $20 mark. So basically above 20, we like it. So entering breakouts above $20. Next, guys, we're looking at Chainlink. So we spoke about Chainlink last week as well. We told you guys that we could expect supports basically here on this Fibonacci level. As you guys can see, it did play a support, but of course Bitcoin pulled it down a bit. So it did have a support here, which we spoke about as well. We had that Fibonacci level, plus we had this level of support right here, which, as you guys can see, had it bounce. Then we bounced along this support again, which was that other Fibonacci level. And now we're back to this top where we had a top here last time, right? So for entries, we're going to be looking to enter on top of this, right? So that's the previous high. So that's around that $25 mark. So I actually like trades here at $25, or you could just enter above the previous high as a breakout trade. If we go down, then you can look for trades down here towards the $22 to $20 range. Just like last time, we liked that $20 range right there. We like it again. And then we like this support here as well. Alrighty, guys. So far we've covered Ethereum, we've covered Cardano, we've covered DOT, and we've covered Chainlink, right? So we've covered 4 coins. And guess what? In today's video, we're gonna cover, we still got 4 more to go. So if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. Make sure to hit the like and drop a comment. Let us know what coin you would like us to check out next time on next week's video. So the next coin that we're going to be taking a look at is Litecoin, and let's dive right in. Litecoin, guys, I know a lot of you have been requesting it, so we are finally covering it for you beautiful people. As you guys can see, it's just been kind of ranging here for the last bit, right? So we kind of had, this is kind of what we were looking at right here, right? So symmetrical triangle is kind of the range that we were in. And as you guys can see, basically above this point was a breakout. And that's exactly what happened here. So now we're currently testing this Fibonacci level right there, which is that 23.6% Fibonacci zone. And then we're gonna basically, as long as we stay above 150, I like it. So we can see this test again, this level up here, which is around that 175 range. And we can see it test the previous high here, which is right around that 185 range, right? So I like these 150 entries. If we test that 150 support, I'm all for that entry right there. And above this previous high, you can use that as an entry as well. Above this right here, which is that 175 mark, you can use that as an entry. So above around that 160, if you don't want to enter above this high, you can enter above 160. I'm good with that. And we should see possibly new yearly highs very soon, as long as we continue up. If we do go down from here below that 150 area, then that 130 mark is what I'm looking for in Litecoin. All right, so the people have spoken and I have listened. We are doing Uniswap today. I know a lot of you guys are probably excited here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is the first time that we look at Uniswap on this channel. So let's go ahead and cover it, guys. So Uniswap, as you guys can see, it's been pretty good. Pretty much here, bull flag, breakout, kind of bull flag there, breakout. And here it just kind of tested this support here and boom, took back off. Same thing, kind of went down a bit because Bitcoin was pulling it down, and now it looks like it's coming back up to retest these previous highs. So here, basically what we're going to be looking for right now is basically new all-time highs, right? So a break above the previous all-time high is basically the only trade that you have currently on where it is. $20 is a nice big whole number, but as you guys can see, it kind of got rejected last time here at that $20 mark, right? So if it goes under 20, you know, we want to see it back down here. So that's kind of around that 1750 range. So if it gets back to 1750, it's definitely a nice support buy. If it doesn't get back to that range, then I'm looking to enter above these previous highs, which is right around that 2075 range, right? So above 2075, guys, I am buying the breakout. All right, so the bonus that we have for you guys today is AAV. I know a lot of you guys been asking for it, so here it is. So we saw the big resistance here at 200 where it struggled for a little bit. So we had a whole lot of consolidation plus Bitcoin pulling it down, ended up testing that 150 mark and then got a nice bounce here at this Fibonacci level. And this is also the golden ratio right here. So that's why it looks like it might have struggled, but it was able to break through. And once it broke through, then take off, right? Went all the way up till about 286, 290. Before it had a minor little pullback here, and then you know, another, you know, classic textbook bull flag, right? Then from there broke out and had another bull flag right here, and we just recently have seen this new breakout to new all-time highs, as you guys can see. So what am I looking for? I am kind of looking for a similar play here as to this, right? I imagine up here, this is that 350 range. So 350 looks like it's going to be a nice little resistance there. So it could kind of do this type of thing like it did down here. You know, if it does do that, I'm looking probably to buy back down at 300. That's a big, nice and even number. That's as well as very close to this Fibonacci level, right? So 300 is the level I'm looking at as far as a support entry. If I'm just looking to enter a breakout play, then I'm looking to enter above $350 for this one. All right, so those are the two entries I'm looking for in AAV. Alrighty guys, that is it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys are able to grab some of these trades with these altcoins and make some profits on them. That's always the goal of these videos, to help you guys make some profits. So if you do make some profits, or if you at least enjoyed watching the video, go ahead and like the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're continuing to grow. We broke 4,000 and we're now, the next goal is 5K, guys. So I appreciate you guys. I will see you on tomorrow's video. As always, peace and love.